Hey guys, I'm back again, Priyanshu Chaudhary. So today I'm going to teach this simple problem. So it looks simple, but for those who are very beginners in Java or they are trying to do this pattern problem, they might find it hard. So that's why I have tried to explain it in a very easy way so that you can do it on your own. So first of all, think like that. So in the last video, I have already mentioned that how to see or how to think when you see a pattern problem. So first, the point is think like that. How many rows it has? Yeah. Can you tell me how many rows it has? Yeah, come on, respond. It has one row, two row, three, four, and five rows. So it has five rows. Okay, now you have to say me that how many elements in a row it has. So it has five elements in a row. See, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so five elements in a row. So now after defining how many rows it has and a number of elements, we have to understand that the rows, it is not printed. It is just to change the line. And for this, we use outer loop. Outer loop is responsible for changing the line. Okay, and it is also responsible for how many rows it has. Outer loop. So outer loop doesn't never print anything, but the inner loop is responsible for printing the number of elements in a row. So how it will get printed? See, first this line will be printed. Okay, the number of elements in a row, the this is 5, and the inner loop will print 1 2 3 4 5. Then the outer loop will change the line, and then again it will print 1 2 3 4 5. Then again the outer loop change the line, and the inner loop will print the 5. See how I am doing this. The same way you have to do this. Okay, first this line will be printed, then so some people might ask that why I am taking so much time for this very simple problem. uh, please try to understand, for those who are very beginner, they don't know how to do this. So that's why I'm taking time. After they grasp all the idea how to think, like how to think when you see the pattern problem, it's become very easy. So for the rows, I'm taking a for loop. So I int I equals to 1, and say how many rows it has. 5 rows it has. So I will take I less than equals to 5, then I plus plus. Done. So it is for rows. Okay, then in the inner loop I will print the element. So it is int j equals to 1, and in the first row how many iteration I need? 1 iteration, 2 iteration, 3 iteration, 4 iteration, 5 iteration. For the 5 iteration I will do like this, like j less than equals to 5 and j plus plus. Okay, so it is for number, sorry, um, printing the element based on iteration. Okay, now I will print. So can you tell me what should I here print? Anyone? Can you tell me? See, for the first print, I will need 1. For the second print, I'll need 2. Third print, 3. Fourth print, 4. Then 5 print. Then it will change its line. Then 1. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. I hope you understood what it will how it will goes. So and I want that each and every thing, each and every element will be printed on the same line. So I will delete the ln first. Then I have to do in a certain way that it will be incremental. How I can do? Any idea? Guess. I will just give you 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, no problem. See, j is for the first iteration, j is 1. For the second iteration, j is 2. The third iteration, j is 3. So if you see like this, then we can get the answer. So if we print j here only with a gap, then we will get the answer. Okay. And then for changing the line, I will do what? System.println bus. So okay, let me check. I have crossed it. Print argument for loop. Yeah, I have to again do this. Okay. So now it is done. So can I run it here? Let's see what's the response. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we will do. So some people may say, sir, why J, why J? You can do anything. I mean, a same problem can be done in different way. But for the easiest way is that you want in every iteration, the number is getting a +1. Okay. So how you can get it? You can introduce mm, a number, then you can just do the count plus plus, then you can iterate it with again. This is a very a complex process, but this is a very easy process. That's why I have done like this. So the next problem I am showing you this, that a a a c c d d d. So see how many rows it has. It has 5 rows, and the outer loop will responsible for the rows. Okay. And how many elements in a row means how many iteration it needs. 5 iteration in a single row. 5 elements is needed. So inner loop will do the 5 element print. So for this, I'm again deleting it for your for the better understanding. Okay, let me delete everything. For loop int I equals to 1 and I less than equals to 5, then I plus plus. Okay. Now for the inner loop that is responsible for printing j equals to 1. Then see, I need 5 iteration. I need how many iteration? 5 iteration, right? So for the 5 iteration, I need some any in any way I have to make the compiler iterate 5 times. So I will make j equals to 1, j less than equals to 5. Okay, then j plus plus. Then how to get ABCD. So I hope you know this concept is that 65 sorry, A equals to 65. B equals to 66. So how I can get it? See, it's a ASCII value for each and every character, for each and every thing. We have some ASCII value. So A has the value of 65, the B has the value of 66. So it's in the same way, the C, I mean the capital C, will go to 67. I will recommend you just please go through some the ASCII value from Google, because it will take more time to show each and every ASCII value of a character. So you just go through this Google and you'll understand. Okay, so I need 65, then I need 66, then I need 67. So if you see, it is nothing but it is a 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, because 65 is A. Okay, then it is what? 66, 66, 66, 66, 66. This is the same way you have to see this thing. So how can I get 65? The first is 65, right? So if I get character and I just make it in I plus 64, then plus, okay, then so for changing the line. Wait, I'll just tell you what I have done here. So I plus 64, avoid this now. Just see this, I plus 64 is what now? 65. Then when j equals to 2, it's 66. When j equals to 3, 60, 67, 68. So somehow or other, I got this 60, 66, 65, 60, 66. But I want its character well. So that's why I have put the cat inside a bracket so that it will turn it to the character value. I hope I understood. If I don't do like this, if I do like this, see what will happen, then you understand. I'm sorry. Again, I have made the mistake. See, 65, 65, 65, 66, 66. The thing is going on like this. But I don't want this. I want the character. To change it to the character, I will add a cat. Okay, so any number can change to a character. So it is the way to change a character here. So see, now it will change to ABCD. Understood? I hope you understood. Then please do on your own. And I'm just writing this. How it is going? It's printing, changing the line. So this for loop and this statement is for changing the line. That is how many rows. And this inner loop is responsible for the printing. I hope you understood the concept. And please remember the ASCII value. I'm just writing ASCII, ASCII value. Okay. So I hope you have got some knowledge, and I will continue to upload some other videos, and I will continue the series of the pattern so that those who are beginners will understand. Some people say me that why I take so much time to make people understand, because this is my way to teach. I take time, and good thing takes time. Thank you very much for giving your time, and I hope so. We will meet again in to the video, and consider subscribing if you have got any benefit. Goodbye. Take care.